Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Rail. In this video we are going to see how we can work with TreeMap from the collection framework series. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have created one Java class called TreeMap1 as it is the part 1 of TreeMap tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can store only primitive data type object into TreeMap. So TreeMap is nothing but a map where we store a value with key pairs, and here the main thing is TreeMap store the data in the sorted format. By default it store data in ascending format. You can get the data in descending format as well because we have some method in TreeMap. So TreeMap implements SortedMap and navigable map. So with the help of SortedMap you can get the limited data. Like if you want to get the data between two keys, so you can get the data, and if you want to get data after the particular key or before the particular key, so you will get those values. We will see how we can do it. So let's get started. First we have to create TreeMap object. Here I want to use key as integer and value will be as string. TreeMap, new TreeMap. Let's import the package for TreeMap, and here we have to store the data. TreeMap dot put integer, let's say 20. Let's write name here John. Rakesh 5 10 15 2 8 XYZ, any random string values. So here I am storing keys as integer and value in the form of string. So till now we have added all the values or key inside TreeMap. Now we have to retrieve those data. So as you know, we cannot retrieve data from the TreeMap directly. We have to use, there is something called as entry set, and we have something called key set. So we need keys to retrieve the data. Here I will use key set. So we have two navigable key set and descending key set. So with the help of key set you will get the key in ascending order because it is in the by default in the ascending format. So if you want in this descending order, so you can use descending key set as well, but I want here only key set. So the return type, as you can see, is set with integer generic form. Integer, it is set. Let's import the set package and integer. This should be in capital. Now we have all the keys present in set. Now for retrieving data I will use for loop. Here I will say integer key set. Now for printing the data, let's store this key inside one variable, and here I will print those data. So first I will say key, and the associated value. For value I will use get method inside TreeMap and key. So if I'll run the program, so as you can see guys, I am getting the data in ascending format, because by default in the ascending format of key. So if I'll say here descending key set, I think the spelling mistake is there, descending key set. So here I will get all the data in descending order. So as you can see, descending order of keys. So this is how you can work with TreeMap. We have lots of methods, like I have said. There is something called as navigable map and sorted map. So let's see what these all are. Here I want to add some space, and we have something called as descending map as well. So this is nothing but a navigable map and map. Let's import the package for navigable map. So this is how you will get the map object in descending order, because here we are getting keys of descending order, but here we are getting whole map in descending order. So same method we will use here. So I want to copy this, I will paste here, I will make it nmap, and I will say key set, and this should be set 1, and this should be nmap, get key, everything sorted. Yes, so let's run the program. So here as you can see, I am just getting the descending map, and rest of all the part is normal, but still I am getting in the descending format. So this is how you can deal with the methods present in TreeMap. And let's add one more space here, because here I want to show you how you can retrieve the data in limited range. So for that we have one method called, I will use the first map object, and here I will say something, we have sub map. So from key, and here the second parameter is 2 key. So from, let's say 5 and 2, let's say 15. So here you have to say what is the return type. You have to see the return type is sorted map, integer and string, because this is nothing but a map, and here we have to write generic form as it is, hashmap. So here let's import the package for SortedMap, and here again we have to do the same stuff. With in the place of nmap we will say hashmap, and let's say set 2. Here I will say set 2. So the main thing here is, whenever you are getting the key set here, you are getting the key set between these two keys. So when you will print those data, replace this with hashmap. So whenever you will print the data here, this data will be between these two parameters. So let's run the program. So as you can see guys, this is the limited map, how you can get the map data in the limited range. So I think you have understood the main concept of TreeMap. So TreeMap also work with hashing technique, because anyway we have key as set. So this compare all the key value with their hash code. So whenever you deal with any TreeMap, you have to make sure that data should be in ascending or descending format. So if you want to read the data in ascending and descending format, and key, that is nothing but a set, that should not be duplicated, because here if I'll add one more object, let's say ABC, and roll number is like 5, so if I'll run the program, as you can see, I'm getting 5 only 1, that is second data. This package is getting printed because this is not added inside TreeMap, because this is nothing but a set. Our key is set, so it work in with hashing technique, and for comparing the data it uses their hash code. So I think this is enough for this video. I'll see you in the next video with the second part, where we will store object of particular class inside TreeMap. So I'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.